with these 10 magical Christmas decor ideas, perfect for creating a cozy, warm atmosphere. Let's dive into the details of how you can bring the holiday spirit into every corner of your space, making it feel as magical as the season itself. Create a cozy Christmas corner with a festive focal point. A beautifully decorated Christmas tree is often the star of holiday decor, but why not make an entire corner of your home feel like Christmas Central? Set up your tree, of course, but pair it with cozy armchairs, soft blankets, and a small side table. Add a glowing lamp or even some lanterns to illuminate the space in a soft, warm glow. Decorate the tree with ornaments that bring you joy, from nostalgic family pieces to trendy new additions, creating a mix of old and new. This corner becomes a space where you can read, sip hot chocolate, or just bask in the warmth of the season. Layer in different textures with soft pillows, knitted throws, and maybe even a faux fur rug to create depth and comfort. The idea here is to make this corner not just a spot to look at, but a place where you can truly unwind and enjoy the magic of the holiday season. Festive window displays with garland and twinkling lights. Your windows are a perfect opportunity to extend your holiday decorations beyond the tree. Add garlands laced with twinkling lights, hanging them across the top or sides of the window frame. You can also use window-safe stickers to create winter scenes such as snowflakes or reindeer that add a touch of whimsy. If you have window ledges, place mini Christmas trees, candles, or small figurines to enhance the cozy vibe. The lights reflecting on the glass will add a magical glow, making your home feel warm and inviting from the inside and out. It's a simple yet impactful way to spread the Christmas spirit, and it will make every glance out the window feel festive and special. Building the enchanting mantelpiece with natural elements and candles. If you have a fireplace, the mantel is a fantastic canvas for your Christmas decorations. Even if you don't have a traditional fireplace, you can create a similar effect on a console or shelf. Use natural elements like pine cones, evergreen branches, or even cinnamon sticks to bring in the beauty of nature. Layer in candles of various heights, adding a warm, flickering glow that immediately makes any room feel cozier. For a truly magical touch, drape garlands over the mantel and intertwine twinkling fairy lights within. You can even add some metallic or glass ornaments for a bit of sparkle. Stockings hung with care, in traditional red and white or in more neutral tones to match your decor, complete the look. The blend of natural textures with soft lighting creates an inviting space that radiates holiday warmth. Set the scene with a Christmas tablescape. Whether you're hosting holiday dinners or just enjoying a quiet meal with family, your dining table deserves to be as festive as the rest of your home. Start with a table runner or tablecloth in traditional Christmas colors, or opt for something more subtle, like soft greens or golds for an elegant look. Layer in different textures with cloth napkins, textured chargers, and delicate glassware. Centerpieces can make or break the vibe, so focus on something that draws the eye. Try using a mix of candles, greenery, and ornaments. You can even add mini Christmas trees or small figurines of reindeer or snowmen. The key is to keep it balanced so it doesn't feel overwhelming, but rather cozy and inviting. For an extra touch of magic, scatter some faux snow or sprinkle a little glitter to make the table sparkle.